Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here with a nice slim thighs workout. We're working the entire thing and the inner thighs. I know you guys asked for that a lot. We're doing it today, so let's get into it. Starting with some sumo squats, 30 seconds on the clock, wide stance, toes are out. All right, we're coming down, nice sumo squat. And if your knees are concaving in a little bit, maybe not go down so low. We wanna make sure they go out. All right, we wanna protect those knees, protect those joints and bones, all right? So making sure they come out and in, very good. Nice tight core, straight back, chin is up. All right, your entire body's engaged. That core is gonna help you balance. Breathing in, out, very good. And 3, 2, 1, hold, and squeeze up, very, very good. Next, we have a leg switch swing. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. We're gonna swing it forward, back, forward, down, and then other side. All right, and I want you switching sides because that's gonna work your core and your legs even more. All right, switching weight from one to the other. If you need to hold on to a wall or a chair, go ahead and do that. This is not only working your thighs, but it's also a nice little stretch and a dynamic stretch for your hips. So it should feel really, really good as well. And 3, 2, 1, together, awesome. Well, next we are taking it down to the floor, but I'm gonna give you standing options for all the floor work we're gonna be doing, all right? So you can either stay standing or go down to the floor. First, we have a glute bridge. If you don't wanna go down the floor, you're gonna do an RDL instead, all right? Pushing your hips back with a nice straight back coming down, and then squeezing your butt, squeezing your thighs, your hamstrings as you come up. All right, down, and then squeeze, down, and squeeze. If you're on the floor, we are gonna be doing a glute bridge. All right, feet are hip width apart, laying back. All right, and you're gonna press your hips up. Press, and squeeze, 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 and then rolling down one vertebrae at a time, making sure your pelvis is nice and tucked in. All right, we don't wanna be arching. You can arch when you're laying down, so boom. Roll it under, very good, and press up, and then one vertebrae at a time. Very good. Breathing. Awesome job. And 3, 2, 1. And there we have our glute bridge or RDL. Next, we're doing an inner thigh extension. If you are standing, what you're gonna be doing is an inner thigh lift. All right, so lifting it inside over the other leg as much as possible, and then switching. All right, really squeezing that inner thigh here. Boom, boom. All right, if you're on the floor, our inner thigh extension. All right, feet, legs straight up in the air. All right, and you're going to open the legs and then close them. All right, so that's where you're using your inner thighs, is in the closing. Outer thighs open, inner thighs close, and take your time. You're gonna feel it so much more if you're going slow, 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 squeezing those thighs, very good. All right, this is also a nice core workout, right? Because we're holding our legs up in the air. Breathing, awesome job. Check in, is the entire body engaged? And 3, 2, 1, squeeze, 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 and coming down, very good. Next, we have a fire hydrant to donkey kick. If you're standing, you're going to be doing a side lift and then kick back. All right, side and then back. On the floor, starting with a fire hydrant. So looking like a dog peeing on a fire hydrant. And then donkey kick, back. Nice flex foot. All right, in, side, in, back. Very good, and we're doing one leg at a time, whether you're standing or on your hands and knees. And on your hands and knees, make sure that your hand is directly under your shoulder and your knee is directly under your hip. All right, nice straight lines and nice straight back Try not to arch, all right? So boom, tucking in that butt, tucking in that tummy, protecting our spine. In 3, 2, 1, and other side. Side, back. Very good. Breathing. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Very good. 10 more seconds. You got this. And 3, 2, 1. There we have it. Set 1. Great job. On our feet for set 2. Big breath, going right into it. Starting with our sumo squats, wide stance. You got this. Breathe, tight core, and let's go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Together, leg swing switch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together, very good. Gently to the ground if we're doing floor work. If not, stay up. Glute bridge. Squeeze that bum. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Coming down one vertebrae at a time. Very good. Staying on your back. Legs up. And open. Taking your time. Very good. Slow, controlled movements. And breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Gently bring those legs down. Switch it over. Hands and knees. Fire hydrant to donkey kick one side. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Come down. Very good. Other side. You got this. Ten more seconds. Push through. You got this. Great job. And 3, 2, 1. And second set done and dusted. Great job. One more to go. Up on our feet. Big breath.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Three, two, one. Very good. Together, leg swing switch. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Together, very good. Gently to the ground if we're doing floor work. If not, stay up. Glute bridge. Squeeze that bum. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Coming down one vertebrae at a time. Very good. Staying on your back. Legs up. And open. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Gently bring those legs down. Switch it over. Hands and knees. Fire hydrant to donkey kick one side. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Come down. Very good. Other side. You got this. And 3, 2, 1. And there we have it, my beautiful people. 3 sets of this nice slim thigh workout. I hope you loved it. I hope you're feeling it like I am. Let me know in the comments below which move was your favorite so I could use it more in future videos. Where are you tuning in from? I love to see people from all over the world. It's so great. And I hope to see you on the next one. Mwah.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.